Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make money with your website coming up. All right, so what we're going to do in this video is talk about 3 ways to make money with your existing website. So first of all, the reason why this idea came about is because there are quite a lot of people out there who have websites, but they're just pretty much static. So what I want to cover today is ways to make money with your website. So first of all, you're going to need a good platform. In my case, I prefer using Divi as my page builder. And by the way, if you buy Divi using my affiliate link, I will give you access to my web design formula course, the course that teaches you how to design professional looking websites with Divi. All right, so the very first way to make money with your website is to create a membership website or turn your existing website into a membership website. And to do this, all you need is a plugin. Simple and straightforward. And the plugin I recommend is called Wishlist Member. I will also include the link to that in the video description below. So you may be thinking, why a membership website? So what the membership website does is it protects content on your website. So it pretty much puts it behind a payment gate, right? So the reason why we are protecting this content is because it's valuable content. So let's say you have maybe some skills or you have some expertise, you can create videos or you can create articles, audio clips, talking about your expertise, whatever it is. But instead of giving it away for free, people have to pay in order to access that information. So this is mostly common when it comes to creating online courses. It's also common with coaches, entrepreneurs, and also consultants. So this is a way to protect your content so that people that access it needs to pay. And as I mentioned, Wishlist Member is a really good plugin. I've been playing around with it. It integrates very well with a lot of plugins out there to make things work. And I will also be creating quite a lot of tutorials here on this channel to help you get up and running fast with Wishlist Member. So the link to that is going to be in the video description below. All right, so that is membership websites. Let's move on to the next one, and this is affiliate website. So with affiliate marketing, it's more or less getting a commission every time you sell a product or a service. So how this would work is you need to have a blog. So you would need a separate channel like on YouTube or Facebook where you create content. So let me just give you an example here so that this actually makes sense. So let's say you are into photography. So you decide to make some camera reviews. So if you make a camera review, you would sign up with a company that pays a commission if anyone buys your camera through your affiliate link. So the commissions can vary. Sometimes they're 5% and they can go as high as even 70%. So it just depends on your niche. So let's go ahead with the camera example. So say you're a photographer. So what you would need to do is to create content around products where you can be paid a commission. So you may be thinking, okay, so if I'm creating this content and it's going on YouTube or Facebook, why then do I need a website? So the reason why you want to do that is because on your website, you want to have a system where you can give valuable information and then promote your affiliate link as well as the social media platforms. Now, of course, it doesn't really make sense why you'd want to do that because you can just use YouTube. Now, on your own website, you can also have a system where you can give, freebies and in exchange for an email address. So that email address now can also be used to promote other products that are related to whatever it is that you're promoting with your affiliate links. Right. The other reason why you may also want to do this, and this is the strategy that I use, and that is I promote software, and to have an extra edge with my competitors that are promoting the similar product is to create a mini course that teaches them how to use that product or service much better. So on your website, you'd need to have some videos behind, let's say, a membership to allow people to log in and access the courses. So these courses won't be free for the normal visitors, but for anyone that buys using your affiliate links. And this is the strategy that I use. So this is how you can turn a website, a normal website, into a website that helps you make money. Now let's move on to number 3. And I know this sort of like is similar to what I mentioned here with affiliate commissions. So The third way to make money on your website is to create courses. So these courses can be based on your expertise. So let's say you're good at gardening, you can just make your videos based on gardening. Or let's say you're good at baking, you could do that. If it's web design, you could create web design tutorials. Now, creating courses is really, really powerful because, as you may know, because of the situation that we're in right now where we're on lockdown, a lot of people are learning online, and this is one of the best ways you can actually make money online, by creating these online courses and also having them behind a paywall. Now, all these things that I've spoken about, they're easy to create, or fairly easy to create, let me put it that way. But the most important thing is to learn how to promote them. So just creating an online course does not automatically bring people to the website. So you need to also learn how to promote all these things, like, say, for example, your membership websites, your affiliate commissions, and also your courses. So one way you could do this is by generating free traffic by creating a lot of tutorials around your craft. So by doing that, you can have, let's say, little ads in there saying, hey, you know, if you want an extra this, head over to my website, and then you give the URL address while you're mentioning it on your video or even a podcast. Okay. So the three types of content that you need for this is either video, podcasts, or articles. But the one that really works the most, or really works the best, is the videos, because the articles, now you're really competing with SEO, other SEO companies, and to really rank really up there, it's difficult because your website has to be an authority website. It has to have backlinks, and also it needs to be fairly old. You know, if it's a brand new website, you'll find that your articles won't rank straight away, even if you do good keyword research. So I would go with creating videos on YouTube, because YouTube is also a search engine, and there's a better chance of you ranking when you're on YouTube. So these are the ways that you can make money with your website. Let me know what you guys think. And also, if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments box below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell notification. By doing so, you'll be reminded or notified when I release new videos. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.